Morning everyone. It's not a bad day here in Tokyo. It's a bit chilly. Started out about 14, it's up to about 16, should get to 21 today. A little bit of a breeze. Not a bad day. I'm gonna go today's adventure. Cafe I haven't been to in today's Tokyo Cafe ride. Check it out. All right, we have the Damane parked up. So we have bakery, kombucha, box, warehouse, and a secret garden. Ooh, it's secret if you put a sign up though. Excuse the noise from the gravel shoes. I'm not much of a fan of kombucha. It's not like it's everywhere in Japan. It's not in any vending machines. But what I'm here for today is this little place. Very good. How good is this helmet? Abus. Abus. And just matches the bike, right? Look at the color. The bike has become a lot lighter. I had a second set of wheels, the Paragon that came off the SL6, and I was using them for gravel tires and gravel rides. But since they were lighter, I decided to make them my main wheels, went tubeless, and the bike is just so much lighter. It's amazing how different it is. The IRC used in the Belgian waffle rides, Pro Formula tubeless. It's meant to have rice bran inside it. A nice tread